Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm showing to you how to create a website by AI or artificial intelligence. Creating a website is very difficult and it takes a lot of time and also need for expert programmer to create and manage websites. But in this video I'm showing to you how to create a website for free by AI just in 2 or 3 minutes, and there is no need to learn anything. Let's start. First, open your favorite browser in your device, select your account and search for Focus AI. Open first link, Focus AI website builder. Click on login button. I already have account in this website. If you did not created a account yet, just create here your account for free, and after creating your account just click on sign in. I want to write here my mail address. I want to select remember me for all time. Click on close this ads first and click on back to the dashboard, and here just select add new. Okay, here what category best describe your website purpose? I want to select your courses online or offline, and also you can here search for your favorite category and select your favorite options. I want to select language tutorials. Personalize your website by selecting the service you wish to offer. I want to offer private language lessons, online language tutoring, and conversation practice. Click on continue. Now tell us what you want to do with your website. This will help us create the tools and page you need. Sell product, write a blog, get booking, and get new customer. I don't want to select get new booking. Collect testimonials. Click on continue. AI will create a full page for me. Tell us where your business is basically based. I want to select service area, district, city, state, zip code, country. I want to select this, and just press or can please enter our working area. Like this. So what do you want your business to be called? Name for your business. I want to select CS tutorial. Enter. Select to highlight 3 unique aspects of your business. We will generate a more customized, friendly service and exceptional customer service, and just select continue. How would you like your website visitor to contact with you? I want to select email address. gmail.com. Here just select a template. Which template do you want, or which template is favorite for you? I want to select this template. Click on continue, and here greet now add your test. Here you can play it, but keep in mind there is more option in editor. I want to select these colors. Okay, click on continue. Here you can select a font for your website. Create my website. Generating started and AI will generate or create new website for me now in just a few seconds. And I can edit in this website, and I can also upload new pictures, and I can also upload logo for this website, and edit the name and edit digits. Finally, website created for me. I want to close this ad and select view website address. Here you can also see your website and information about your website. Okay, now this website created or generated for me, and here I can also change about us, our team, contact us, courses, blog. I want to open courses page like this. Okay, here I can also switch from one page to another, and just I want to close now this one. And here also I can edit art everything in this page. For this time, edit name, number, email address, and also I can upload image logos from my computer, and also I can change design, blog, and just click on this link to share or save your website to your computer. Here we can see all page of our website. Now I am on our theme page, and also I can edit everything, pictures and logos and social media links for my website. Okay friends, like this we can, by this way we can create free website for your own purpose. Please subscribe for more.